Greetings. Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of cryptocurrencies, encompassing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even the quirky Dogecoin. Cryptocurrencies are the talk of the town, leaving many curious minds seeking clarity. In this video, I'll be your guide, transforming you from a crypto novice into a seasoned crypto enthusiast. Together, we'll demystify the concept of cryptocurrencies, explore their rising significance, delve into my personal investments, and shed light on potential challenges. Let's embark on a historical journey through the evolution of currency. In the early stages of society, the concept of money was non-existent. Barter trading was the norm, involving direct exchanges. However, this had its limitations, as not all trades were feasible. This led to the emergence of coins, crafted from precious metals like gold and silver. These tangible tokens carried inherent value, laying the foundation for modern currency systems, like the British pound, initially representing a pound of silver. As time progressed, the advent of banks and governments ushered in a new era, the transition from physical coins to paper money, backed by trust and authority. This innovation brought unparalleled convenience, and marked a pivotal shift in currency evolution. Skipping ahead to the digital age, we find ourselves in stage 4. Our financial transactions now manifest as entries in digital spreadsheets. With cryptocurrencies, we step into stage 5, where virtual currencies operate on decentralized ledgers called blockchains. So, what exactly constitutes a cryptocurrency? Visualize it as a purely digital representation of value, devoid of physical counterparts like coins or notes. Instead, these digital currencies are stored on extensive digital ledgers, or blockchains, recording every transaction involving the currency. The brilliance lies in decentralization. The ledger is distributed across countless computers, rendering fraudulent activities remarkably challenging. Cryptocurrencies offer unique advantages. Their decentralized nature ensures secure and transparent transactions. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, through a process called mining. This also enables swift international transactions with minimal fees. Moreover, cryptocurrencies expand financial access in regions with limited traditional banking services. However, while this cutting-edge system brings promising benefits, it's not without its complexities and concerns. Let's delve into the world of crypto investments. Many individuals invest in cryptocurrencies, hoping their value will surge, resulting in substantial profits. While Bitcoin is a familiar name, there are over 4,000 other cryptocurrencies, each with distinct attributes. Ethereum, for example, excels in speedy transaction processing, while Cardano and others tout technological advancements. As for my investments, I've cautiously entered this space, viewing it as an optimistic venture rather than a calculated investment. However, the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies presents a notable challenge. Prices can experience wild fluctuations due to their novelty and speculative nature. Regulatory uncertainties and limited acceptance as payment pose additional hurdles. Environmental concerns arise from the energy-intensive mining process. Although some newer cryptocurrencies prioritize efficiency, it's crucial to acknowledge that cryptocurrencies have both positive and negative impacts, including their association with criminal activities, although their actual usage for illegal purposes remains relatively low. In the realm of the unconventional, we encounter non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These tokens signify ownership of digital assets, often images or art, through blockchain technology. While the concept is intriguing, the value lies in ownership prestige, rather than tangible benefits. Interestingly, NFTs have commanded staggering prices, with even Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey's first tweet selling for millions. Similarly, the quirky Dogecoin, initially conceived as a joke, has transformed into a legitimate investment opportunity. To encapsulate, the world of cryptocurrencies is a blend of excitement, intricacy, and innovation. It holds the promise of revolutionizing financial transactions, yet comes with its share of challenges. As you navigate this captivating landscape, remember to remain informed, cautious, and open-minded. If you found this video enlightening, consider sharing it with others seeking insight. Feel free to engage in the comments section below. Give me a subscribe, a thumbs up, and a friendly alarm bell ring.